Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to go over the next two stocks that we're going to analyze on this channel. It's going to be NIO and Workhorse. Now, you guys all know I like to play the trend lines and they've been treating me well so far. I don't only just look at the trend lines, I look at a bunch of different things. But I highly suggest to you guys to start looking at the candlesticks. Now, I've been doing this. Now, I've been doing charts for a while now. I know you probably can't see it, but I've been tracking that. And so I've been doing this for a while. The candlesticks is a little tricky to get into, but eventually I'm going to explain to you guys my full process over how I break down these stocks to where maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5 weeks from now, after I give you more advanced techniques, then we'll start to get into the candlesticks and exactly what they mean and how can we use them, like the tombstone, the reverse candle, all of that in order to help our plays. Because once you guys figure out the head and shoulder, let's see, the inverted hammer, the shooting star, the hanging man, the dragonfly, the gravestone, once we get into these, once we get into that a couple weeks from now, hey man, we're gonna be some good traders, man. I'm telling you, we're gonna be some good traders. So make sure you don't miss out on any of these weekend videos where we analyze these stocks, because 6 weeks from now I'm gonna be saying some stuff in these videos and y'all gonna be confused as hell. But if you've been following along and you subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell, we're gonna be moving along very quickly. So right now I got around 4,400 of you guys to hit the notification bell. Once we get to 5,000 subscribers to hit the notification bell, we're gonna do a giveaway on this channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button either. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And with all that being said, this video is brought to you by Webull. Now you could deposit $100 and receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each by depositing $100. With those 4 free stocks, you can leave them in a platform and decide to use the platform, or once you get your 4 free stocks, you can sell them and withdraw your money. It's literally free money, so don't miss out on this opportunity. This promotion is only running until the end of December, so you might want to hop on it pretty quick before this 4 free stocks promotion goes away. Also, if you want to get on the Bitcoin wave, I left a link down in the description to COINBASE. That is the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency by far. And right now you can receive a free $10 worth of Bitcoin by signing up for COINBASE and also depositing $100. So don't miss out on free money, guys. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. All right, YouTube, we're back. Welcome back, dreamers. It's not going to be a lot of editing from here on out because I want you guys to see the complete process on how I set this all up. Right now, we are on NIO, the 15-minute chart. And if we zoom in, now from last week, this is the flag pattern that I drew out last week. That is on the downtrend flag pattern right there. And then I drew the support line right there. Now, I said that it's going to have to make a play soon. It is going to play down, or if it breaks above this trend line, or if it breaks above this resistance line, that is going to trend up. And it actually did break above. So I made a video on the 14th right here. So bam, there it goes. It pulled back to the 618. It's always good to buy inside the 618. And then it did eventually break above the downtrend line that we had set. And let's zoom out to the 1 hour chart right quick. All right, there it goes. So it did break above the trend line that we had set right there. It kind of played with it a little bit, but it ended up breaking above the trend line, the downtrend line, and it broke above the 180-day simple moving average line, which is that green line right there. And it was a very strong buy from here all the way up to here. Now, the way that I see the momentum of these charts is from switching from, from switching from the regular candles to the Hikinashi candles. Now that's gonna show me the trend of the stock. After it has strong green bottoms right there. When it has a flat bottom, it's a strong sign that is in an uptrend. And these strong ones right there were showing me that, hey, it had great momentum. But that one right there was the one that lets me know that when it was gonna test this uptrend line, that was probably gonna break through it and also break above the 180-day simple moving average. Now when it did, let's switch back over to the regular candles. Now what it did, the RSI got super overpriced, so it's having a bit of a pullback right now, and the MACD is probably gonna cross back down. Let's switch back over to the 15-minute chart. Yeah, so the MACD on the 15-minute chart, once it might pull back to the simple moving average line for the 15-minute chart. It might pull back to that chart, to this line, and use it as the new support, as it did right here. 1, 2, and yeah, just twice right there, used it as support. So it might pull back to that line right there and be a good buying opportunity right here at the 44. But if you're not comfortable with buying it above the 50, the golden zone right here, let's zoom out a little bit. If you're not comfortable buying it above the golden zone, then you could wait until it pull back into the golden zone. But it might just actually use this as the support line, and it's not going to pull back to the golden zone, and we'll have to redraw our charts very soon. But right now on the 15-minute chart, it is a strong downtrend on the MACD. We might want to wait until it crosses back over on the 15-minute chart to get a good entry on the hour chart. So let it pull back. It's probably going to cross and close down, and then is it gonna pull back to the 50? I don't know, man. It might, but I don't see it. So let's go ahead and try to draw some trend lines on the 15. All right, that's a strong one. That is super steep, but we'll draw it anyway. All right, that's the trend line on the 15. And draw one more. All right, so this is a quick setup on the 15-minute chart. If it breaks below this, it's probably gonna pull back to the 180-day simple moving average green line right here, and that's gonna be anywhere from $46 to $44. But if it stays true to this trend line and pulls back up, then use this uptrend line as the new resistance line right here. Let's push that out a little bit more. Use that as the new resistance line as it's in this uptrend channel right here. And so if you get in at the 46, then you'll probably want to get out at around $50-ish, or whenever it reaches the top of this channel, and wait for another pullback. Once it reach the top of that channel, we'll draw another Fibonacci scale. We'll draw another Fibonacci pattern, and then we'll go off of that, and then we'll look at the Hikinashi candles and look at the momentum of this trade setup. So that is NEO right here. Once again, a quick setup on NEO. If it breaks below, wait until it pulls back into the green line, and then that might be a good entry point. If it stays above and you want to take some profit off the top, if you're already in, then wait and sell around when it gets to the top of this channel, around the $49, $50 price point. So that's NEO. Let's go over to Workhorse. All right, zoom out on Workhorse. Here's Workhorse. I made this video, I made it on last weekend. Let's go. Yeah, I said it's pretty much just gonna trade sideways, guys. It's just trading sideways, waiting for some news to come out. Right now, it's still in the 618. I said, what did I say last week? I said, don't buy. I wouldn't get into Workhorse until it breaks above the green simple moving average line. And that's still true to today. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, it is a bit oversold. So it could pull all the way back up to the green moving average line right there. But it's been using that as a resistance line, and it hasn't been trading and staying above the simple moving average line, and it's also pointing down, but it looked like it's want to curve. It looked like it want to curve back up soon, but if it does curve back up, it's probably just going to get rejected again. So Workhorse, we're just waiting on some news for that $1 billion deal to come out. It's still trading sideways, and I wouldn't personally pick up any more shares until I know it's back on the uptrend, unless if Workhorse drops under $20, I'm getting in. If Workhorse drops under $20, I'm getting in on Workhorse, because that is a great, that's a good buy for me to get in on Workhorse under $20. So that's my buy. If I'm gonna pick up Workhorse, I'm getting it under $20. If I want to wait until it's back into its uptrend pattern, I'll wait until it breaks above the green simple moving average line and stays above the green simple moving average line, and then I'll pick some up and ride it all the way back up to the 50. Might sell some at the top of the 50, or if it has some good strong momentum, I'll let it ride all the way back up to this all-time high of around $30-ish. So that's Workhorse. And there we go, guys. That is my setups this week on NEO and Workhorse. If you miss LCA, which is Golden Nugget Online Gambling, or you miss SBE, which is Charge Point, go back and check out the video I posted before this, so you could get the trade setups on that one as well. They had some pretty nice trade setups on that one. Also, if you want some free Bitcoin, the link is down in the description. You sign up, deposit $100, you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin. I'm personally loading up on Bitcoin because I'm a long-term investor of Bitcoin, and I think it's gonna go to 100K within the next 365 days or so. So that's my perspective of Bitcoin. Next week I might do a market analysis over Bitcoin, just so we can see how it's trading. But Bitcoin is a little tricky to figure out when it's in the midst of a bull run. But if you don't want to miss out on any of these videos, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.